friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Prashant. Today we are going to start with practice set 3.4 of Maths 1 Standard 10. So here is our first question. On 1st Jan 2016, Sanika decides to save rupee 10, rupee 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st of December 2016, what would be her total saving? So given things are Sanika saves rupee 10 on first day, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day. Therefore 10, 11, 12 is a sequence. Now from this sequence we can find common difference. Therefore common difference, which is D, which is equal to second term minus first term, that is 11 minus 10, which is equal to 1, which is constant. Therefore 10, 11, 12 is an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Therefore we can define terms, first term and the common difference, where first term, which is A, which is equal to 10, and D, that is common difference, which is 1. Now 2016, this number is divisible by 4, so obviously 2016 is a leap year. Therefore 2016 is a leap year. A leap year has 366 days. Therefore, obviously n is equal to 366. The total saving in 366 days is S366. Therefore, to find S366, we need to use formula of Sn. Therefore, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is formula. Now, by substituting the values, n is 366, therefore S366 is equal to n upon 2, that is 366 upon 2 into 2a, that is 2 into first term, value of a is 10, plus n minus 1, that is 366 minus 1, into common difference d is 1. Here half of 366 is 183 into 2 times 10, that is 20, plus 366 minus 1, that is 365 into 1, that is 365, which is equal to 183 into 365 plus 20, that is 385, which is equal to, this multiplication is 70,455, which is value of S 366. Therefore, Sanika saves 70,455 rupees. This is our second example. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 monthly installments, each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of first and last installment. Here, the amount repaid is rupees 8,000 plus interest 1,360. That is, total amount repaid is 9,360. Total installments are 12. Therefore, n is equal to 12. Therefore, Sn, which is equal to S12, is 9,360. Here, each installment is less 40 than preceding one. Therefore, common difference, that is D, which is equal to negative 40. Therefore, this is an arithmetic progression. Therefore, we will use formula of Sn, where Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2 times A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is formula. Here Sn, which is equal to S12, but we know that S12 is 9,360. Therefore, S12, that is 9,360, which is equal to n upon 2, that is 12 upon 2 into 2 times A. We don't know what is first term, which is going to be his first installment, plus n minus 1. Here n is 12 again, so this will become 12 minus 1 into common difference is negative 40, so this into negative 40. Therefore, 9,360 is equal to half of 12 is 6 times 2a plus 12 minus 1, that is 11. 11 into 40, that is 440, which is going to be negative. So this also can be written as 9,360. The 6 will divide on another side, which is equal to 2a minus 440. This division is 1,560, which is equal to 2a minus 440. Now this 440 will become positive on another side, or in another way we can say we'll add both sides by 440. So here 1,560 plus 440, which is equal to 2 times a. Therefore, this addition is 2000. This A will remain as it is, and if we divide both sides by 2, so here we will get 2000 upon 2. Therefore, value of A will become 1000, which is going to be his first installment. Now to find 12th installment, we will use formula of Tn. Therefore, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is formula. Where Tn is the last installment. Here the last installment is going to be his 12th installment. Therefore, we have to find T12. And T12 is equal to A, which is first term. Value of A is 1000 plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1 into D, which is common difference, which is negative 14, which is equal to 1000 plus 12 minus 1, that is 11 into negative 14, which is equal to 1000. 11 4s are 44, 0, that is 440. Positive into negative, this will become negative, and 1000 minus 440, so this subtraction is 560, which is T12, that is 12th installment. Therefore, the first installment is 1000, and the last installment is 560 rupees.